In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle customer overpayments and refunds in Xero step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate the overpayment, apply the credit, and issue a proper cash refund so your records stay clean and accurate. Let's start from your Xero dashboard. First, move your mouse to the main navigation bar and look for the sales option. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming in from your customers, including invoices, quotes, and credit notes. Go ahead and click on Sales to open up that section. Once you're on the sales page, you'll see several options, but for this process, we want to focus on invoices. Click on Invoices. This takes you to a list of all your sales invoices in different stages, such as draft, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. Since we're dealing with an overpayment or a credit that needs to be refunded, we're only interested in invoices that haven't been fully settled yet. Now, along the top of the Invoices page, click on the tab or filter labeled Awaiting Payment. This view shows all invoices that are approved but not fully paid. Overpayments and credits that relate to invoices will usually show up here because the system recognizes that more money was received than the invoice required. In this awaiting payment list, look through the invoices and find the one that has a credit or overpayment associated with it. You might see a note or balance indicating that there is a credit available for that customer linked to this invoice. Click on that invoice to open it. This step is important because you want to make sure you're applying the correct refund to the correct customer and invoice. So take a second to confirm the details, such as the customer name, invoice amount, and any credit shown. Once you're inside the invoice, look for the option to make a cash refund. This is usually displayed near the section where payments and credits are listed. Click on Make a Cash Refund. A form will appear where you'll need to enter the refund details. Carefully fill in the refund amount, choose the correct bank account you're paying the refund from, and add a clear description or reference such as Customer Overpayment Refund, so it's easy to understand later. When everything looks correct,